Hey guys, and a breaking news, the Pixel 3 XL and its unboxing video is here. Everything is out thanks to Russian Telegram channel, and I will leave all the links in the below description box. So yeah, starting things with the unboxing video. I know it is not the best high quality video available, but it is the first. So yeah, inside the box you get the Pixel 3 XL on top, and this one is of white color. And looks like there is no huge color difference, material difference in the back panel. The glass and metal looks almost similar. And the back is of course similar to the Pixel 2 XL in terms of almost everything, guys. Next we have two boxes. First one includes the manuals. Let's get started. And Team Pixel stickers along with the Google sticker also. It also has the SIM ejector tool. And the great part is that we have the brand new Pixel Buds, and it's not wireless earphones. Looks like there's a USB-C in the end. I hope it works for the Pixel 2 XL also. At last we have the USB-C cable. Can be used for data syncing as well as for charging. There is OTG adapter and USB-C to 3.5mm dongle. Another box contains the charger right here. We also have additional images. This one clearly shows that the Pixel 3 XL is having a freaking deep notch. It runs on Android 9.0 Pie. And it is going to have the full swipe gesture based navigation. You won't be able to switch to navigation keys. I don't know about you guys, but navigation keys are important for me. Even in Android Pie, I am using the navigation based keys only. I am not used to swipe gestures. Alright, so the device specifications are the latest Snapdragon 845 processor, 4 GB of RAM. Yeah, Google is not planning for higher RAM variant, at least for this year according to the leaks. And maybe in 2019, Google may bring the Pixel 4 with 6 GB of RAM. But that is not the case with the Pixel 3 phones. You are going to get the 4 GB of RAM with the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. I think the display looks gorgeous. Apart from that deep notch, it looks simple, beautiful, and that wallpaper also looks elegant, guys. We have the stereo speakers, that means dual speakers on front and dual front facing shooters. Yeah, you are getting dual selfie cameras, so wow. A single rear sensor, and I'm totally fine as soon as it destroys the competition again. And I think just like last year, Google seems confident enough with their single sensor when there are brands out there making dual, even triple camera smartphones. So I really think that Pixel 3 XL is going to destroy the competition again. They are going to surpass the limits again. The reason I am waiting for Pixel 3 XL is because of that camera. And the display is also not that bad, guys. I think apart from that notch, everything looks beautiful. We are still months away from the official launch according to the leaks, and Google is planning it for October 2018 just like every year. And if you hate that notch, there is also a standard Pixel 3 coming with 18:9 screen without any display cutouts. So let me know in the below comment section your thoughts about the Pixel 3 XL. This was the first unboxing video. All credits to that Russian Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.